I hope you all are well and welcome to Army Public School Panagarh summer camp. And do you know what makes this day special? Is today International Yoga Day, and it started in 2015 by our Honorable Prime Minister. And today we are going to celebrate International Yoga Day. So let's start. So first of all, you have to stand straight middle of the mat, and we will start with general warm up. So first of all, you have to stand straight. You have to put your both hands on your waist and your body should be straight. You have to look forward direction. Now take deep breath through your nose. Release your breath and put your head down, forward direction. Inhale, up your head, exhale and bend your head back. Inhale, exhale and bend your head forward. Inhale, exhale and bend your head backward. Now side bending. Inhale and bend your head left side, up. Inhale, exhale and right side, up. Inhale, exhale and bend your head left side, up. Inhale, exhale and bend your head right side. Now twisting your neck. So inhale and look towards the left side of your left side and exhale. Inhale, come in middle, exhale and look towards your right side. Inhale, exhale and look towards your left side. Inhale, exhale and look towards your right side. Now spread your both hands sidewise, up your both hands, and from here you have to bend your both elbow, put on your shoulder and rotate your both elbows, and both elbows will touch together. Now start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now up your both hands forward direction and trunk twisting. Inhale, exhale and twist your upper body towards your left side. Inhale, exhale and twist your upper body right side. Come in middle. Inhale, exhale and twist your upper body left side. Come in middle. Inhale, exhale and twist your upper body right side. Now from here, bend your both knees and you have to go to half squat position. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, now we'll start main asanas. Okay, so the first asana is Trikonasana. Okay, and it's a standing posture. So first of all, you can start your left side or right side. So here I am going to start with my left side. So here I am stand left side of the mat. From here I have to put my right leg towards the right side of the mat, and you have to spread your both legs as much as you can. From here you have to up your both hands sidewise and turn your left toe towards the left side of the mat. Now from here you have to slowly go down and put your palm on the floor, and your palm should be beside your left foot, okay? And from here you have to straight your upper body, slowly up your right hand, and you have to look towards your right hand, okay? And you have to hold this posture for 10 to 20 seconds and slowly up, turn your left foot. Now from here you have to do opposite direction or opposite leg. So from here I have to turn my right toe towards my right side of the mat. From here slowly you have to bend your upper body towards the right side of the mat. Slowly go down and you have to put your right palm on the floor and just beside of the right toe, okay? Or you can hold ankle also. Now from here you have to up your left hand and you have to look towards the left hand, okay? And your hands should be straight, both hands should be straight. Now you have to hold this posture for 10 to 20 seconds and slowly up and come in initial position. So it's a standing posture. Now sitting posture. Next asana. Next asana is Ardha Matsendrasana. Okay. So for Ardha Matsendrasana, first of all you have to sit in Dandasana position. So it's a Dandasana position. Your both legs should be straight. Your both palms should be touched on the floor. You have to look forward direction. From here, you can start with any one leg, left or right. So here I am going to start with my right leg. So first of all you have to bend your right leg and just place beside your left leg, okay? From here you have to up your left hand and twist your body, okay? So twist your body, hold your right toe and up your right hand and just place behind of your body and twist your body, and you have to look towards the back, okay? Now coming Dandasana position. Now opposite leg. So bend your left leg. Now to up your right hand, twist your body, hold your left toe and place your left hand just behind of your body and twist your body, and you have to look backward direction, okay? And here your body should be straight and you have to hold this posture for 10 to 20 seconds each side, okay? So it's a sitting posture and name of this asana is Ardha Matsendrasana. Now next is Gomukhasana. Next asana is Gomukhasana, and Gomukhasana also is a sitting posture. So for this also you have to over here sit in Dandasana position. From here you have to bend your left leg and just place on your right leg, right thigh. Then from here you have to bend your right leg and both heels should be touch your buttocks and both knees should be you should try to touch your both knees also together, okay? Now from here my right leg is in upward side, that is why I have to up my left leg my upward side, so I have to up my left hand and my right hand bend from the downwards direction and my left hand bend from my upward direction, and both palms should touch together, or you can hold with your both fingers, and your body should be straight. You look forward, and your breathing pattern should be normal, and you have to hold this posture for 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, and see the hand position, this one. Okay, both fingers should touch together. Okay, so the name of this asana is Gamukhasana. Okay, now next posture is lying posture, that is Setu Bandhanasana. So for Setu Bandhanasana, first of all you have to go lie down on your back. Your body should be straight, you have to look upward direction, and your palms should be touched on the floor. From here you have to fold your right leg, then left leg, and you have to hold your both ankles with your hands, and from here you have to slowly pull up your body towards the upward direction, and you have to pull up your body as much as you can, and hold this posture for 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, now slowly go down, release your both legs, and from here you can go in Savasana position. Okay, now slowly up and sit in Sukhasana position. This is the Sukhasana position. Okay, and you can also sit in Padmasana position. This is the Padmasana position. Okay, so it's your choice. You can sit any comfortable position. Now today I will show you one exercise which is related to your eyes. Okay, so now you all are used to sit in front of your phone or laptop or desktop for your study. So for this, in this situation, you can get lots of problem in your eyes. So for that you have to clear your eyesight problem. So for that, so what you have to do, now first of all you have to sit straight, your body should be straight, and your both hands put on your knees. Okay, and both hands should be straight, and here what you have to do, now here you have to only just move your eyeball left side, right side, upward direction and forward direction, and it should be slowly. Okay, so let's start. So first of all you will start with your left side, only you will move your eyeball, not your head. Okay, so let's start from middle. You have to go to the left side. So let's start. Now come in middle slowly. Now right side. Come in middle. Left side. Come in middle. Right side. Come in middle. Now look upward direction towards the ceiling. Look downward direction towards your nose. Again upward. Slowly downward. Okay. So what is the name of this exercise? Drishti Sanchalan. Okay. In Sanskrit, the name of this exercise is Drishti Sanchalan, and by this exercise you will able to release your various such kind of problems which is related to your eyes, and you will able to release your stress from your eyes also. Okay, and every day you can practice 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Okay. Now next is pranayam, anulom vilom. Okay, and this anulom vilom will help you to decrease your respiratory problems like asthma problem, allergy problem, and it will help you to strengthen your lung capacity also, and it will help you your increase your lung capacity, and it's also release your stress level, anxiety level, depression level, and it will also help you to release your breathing problem. Okay, so let's start how you will perform. So for this you have to fold your left hand, index finger and ring finger. Okay, and from here you have to place your left nostril and close your left nostril with your thumb finger. Okay, and you have to take deep breath through your right nostril, and after inhale you have to close your both nostril and you have to hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Then you have to release your left nostril and release your breath. Open your left nostril and release your breath. Okay, so let's start. So for this you have to close your eyes. Now close your left nostril with your thumb finger. Now take deep breath through your right nostril. Close your right nostril. Open your left nostril and release your breath. Again inhale through your left nostril. Close your both nostril. Open your right nostril. Release your breath. Inhale through your right nostril. Close your both nostril. Open your left nostril and release your breath. Once more time. Inhale. So, what is the name of this pranayama? Anulom Vilom. Okay, and you have to practice every day for 5 to 10 to 20 times. Okay, and during the inhalation time you have to count up to 20 seconds. Then during holding time, during the inhale time you have to count 10 seconds. Then holding time 20 seconds and releasing time 20 seconds. The ratio will be 10, 20, 20. Okay. Now next is Bhramri. So for Bhramri, what you have to do, now you have to close your both ears with your thumb finger. Okay. Now after that you have to close your eyes with your index finger and middle finger. Okay. And you have to take the breath through your nose, and you will release your breath by the sound and here you will feel a vibration, and you have to concentrate in between middle of the eyebrows, and this Bhramri will help you to increase your concentration, and it also relieve your stress, anxiety level. Okay, and it's very effective for your study. Okay, so let's start. Close your ears, eyes. Okay, and your little finger place should be just beside your lip. Now let's start. Take deep breath. Now release your breath by okay, start. Once more time. Once more time. Now put your hands down. Now you have to take deep breath through your nose and hold your breath for 5 seconds, and you will release your breath through your mouth by Om chanting. And Om is a universal sound. So Restart. So take deep breath. Inhale. Hold your breath. Now release your breath by Om chanting. Once more time. Once more time. Inhale. After Om chanting, you will sit on your mat for 5 minutes and your two eyes should be closed, and you have to release all the pains from your body. Now slowly rubbing your palm together. Put on your eyes. Once more time, rubbing your palm together. Put on your eyes. Once more time. Now slowly open your eyes. Okay. So finally we have completed our class. Okay. Now here I want to give you one information. Today you will make a video within 2 minutes of any 2 asanas. Okay, and it's totally your choice. Now when you will going to make video, that time you should remember one thing, that that video should be covered from all the sides, left, right, forward and backward also. Okay, and after recording we will post to the group. Okay, so and you can take sources from YouTube or you can take source from my videos also. It's totally your choice. Okay, any 2 asanas. I hope you will able to understand.